guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Welcome to my space. Here I create a lot of amazing, awesome DIY for your hair growth. So in today's video, we are going to be chit-chatting. We're going to be talking, okay? I did a 2-month hair growth challenge. Okay, so I'm going to be telling you guys I have done a part 1. So this is a part 2 of my 2-month hair growth challenge chit chat. Okay, I was telling you guys things I used, my experience, everything in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. If you want to grow your hair, stick and watch the video to the end. Like, I wish I knew about this sooner. Seriously. So let's go. Guys, I am super happy. I've already lost my hair, so this is my hair right now. I've already made a new one. Okay, so I am super excited. So this is my hair when I lost it. I'm going to be showing you guys a clip of my hair when I lost it when I was in the salon. My hair was full. My hair grew. If you've seen when I lose the hair 2 months after 2 months update of losing the hair, blah blah blah, my hair grew. I grew, let's say, an inch or 1.5 inch thereabout. If I'm not mistaken, I grew inches and my hair was full. I wish I knew about this earlier. Earlier I would have been braiding my natural hair, not using any extension like attachment and the rest. I was braiding my natural hair for it to grow better. Like, I wish I knew this sooner. I would have been doing this. Yeah. So guys, the ingredients I have been using so far, okay, it's in the channel. I didn't create any playlist for it, so I'll just be telling you guys the ingredients I've been using so far. All right. So in week 5, I did a tea and a treatment. Okay, I did a tea and I also did a deep condition treatment as well, which I'm going to be keeping the pictures of the treatment and the tea I did. Okay, so one thing the routine, I got used to a routine of washing my hair once a week, washing my hair, treating it once a week. Okay, that was the routine I did throughout the 2 months I carried my braid. Okay, so I got stuck with a particular routine which I never did. Like previously, when I always do my hair, I don't wash my hair once a week or take care of my hair more. I don't put attention on my hair. If I plait my hair, I plait it and I'll just leave it. Maybe after 2 weeks I'll lose it, or if I braid it with extension like attachment, I'll just carry it for like 3 weeks, a week, 3 weeks or 4 weeks, that is 1 month, and I lose it. I did not know that you need to put more attention to your hair to grow it more until I started DIY journey, until I started this journey, and until I started this 2-month challenge. I knew that, okay, you need to put time, efforts, research, everything on your hair. So this 2-month challenge was a blessed for me. Like, I enjoyed the 2-month challenge. I literally enjoyed from day 1 till the ending of the challenge. I enjoyed it. I did a lot. I tried a lot of DIYs on my hair. I intentionally put teas on my hair. I intentionally take care of my hair so that my hair does not smell, because I'm carrying my braids for a longer time. My hair does not smell. My hair did not smell throughout my 2 weeks of carrying throughout my 2 months of carrying my braids. My hair did not smell. I sprayed. There are teas I did for every day. There are teas I did for 2 days. Like, the tea I did for 2 days was hibiscus tea. Okay, I did that one for 2 days because, you know, when you put hibiscus on your hair, hibiscus has stain. Okay, when you put it on your hair, even if you put it in your hand, it will stain. So you need to allow that one to dry before you reapply again. So that tea, I just use it for 2 days, like 2 days in a week. So let's say, for example, I made the tea on a Sunday, I sprayed that Sunday, then I'll just count like Monday, Tuesday, on Wednesday I spray it again, and then I have this gas I'll throw the remain, anyone that remain, I'll throw it away because I'm not going to use it again. Yes, so I did a lot of teas, I did a lot of different deep condition. I experimented on different deep condition. I got a massager to massage my scalp because you know our hair grows from the inner comes outside, and if you don't take care of your scalp, it will not grow. And another thing that helped me a lot was using Chamber 2000. That was a plus for me. I started using Chamber 2000 from day one, a month before I started the challenge, but I started using it from day one in the 2 months challenge anyways. So I saw a lot of growth in my hair wise, in my scalp wise, in my front edges wise. Yes, I saw a lot of growth. I added other ingredients, like I combined a lot of ingredients, and I did get results. So if you are dedicated to grow your hair, you need to have patience, you need to have time to take care of your natural hair. So in these 2 months, I skipped 2 weeks, okay, in the sense that there's a week I was so busy I could not do anything on my hair, so I left that week, because when you're busy there's nothing you can do about it. I left that week. There's another week again I got really busy. I did not do spray or do anything on my hair. I just left that week. Yeah, so I skipped 2 weeks, and the remaining is 8 weeks in a month, right? So the remaining 6 weeks I really did tea, did deep condition, did oil on my hair, sealing my hair, did steaming cap, like using when you're doing your deep condition, you use steam cap and hair. So I did it a lot, and my hair really grew. I am grateful for where my hair length is right now. My hair is growing. Will I be doing this challenge again? Of course I'm doing this challenge again. I think I'll do it maybe 1 year in a row to see how it will be. My hair has never been this bouncy. Like, my hair is healthy, my hair is bouncing, my coils are popping, like literally my hair is doing so well. So right now I'm in a new journey, and my previous 2 months I did not take any supplements, guys. I did not take any supplements. I did not take anything. I was only doing what external. I was not doing internal. So this month I'm entering, like the new month, I'm going to be doing a challenge. Okay, I am going to be taking internal. I'm also be doing external as well to see if our hair will push further. Yes, so that's what I'll be doing. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope this video explained more. Like, I did a lot in the remaining weeks, or I've put a lot of pictures showing you guys the treatment and the spray I have been using. So those are the things I've been doing on my hair, and my hair grew, is bouncing. My hair have never been like this before. Seriously, I'm telling you guys, like, I am so happy in my space right now about my natural hair. Yes, it's really doing amazing. Yes, and water wise, food wise, I was eating normal food. I didn't really change anything in these 2 months, the previous 2 months that I did this challenge. Okay, I didn't really change anything, and yeah, that's all I did, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Are you going to embark on this 2 months challenge? Like, today is 2nd of September, so I started my challenge already for this one. This is 2 days of using it, so I started it already. So I hope you're going to embark on this challenge. If you are trying to grow out your natural hair, try using any of this recipe I did, and you will literally see results. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.